Good morning, Pythagoras. Good morning, Miss Murphy. Good morning, kids. Pythagoras, guess what? What? This class is all the way done with all of their math lessons for the week. Amazing, right? How'd they get done so fast? Well, we've been doing a lesson every day. And some classes have been taking 2 days to do every lesson. So we're ahead of all the other classes. So we're going to take the rest of this week as review of shapes. That sounds like fun. Boys and girls, have you learned about shapes this week? What shapes have you learned about? Wow. So we don't really have a lesson for the day. We're just going to do fourths. So you can divide your paper into 4 pieces. We can call them fourths, or 4 pieces can also be called quarters. There are 4 quarters in $1. All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Let's stop there. Our number today is 43. I've had some kids say that they've been writing everything and then watching it and checking their work. That might be a good way to challenge yourself. Now we're going to make 43 with base 10 blocks. And the number 43, I look at the number, it tells me how many blocks to get of each. So this is my tens place. This is how many tens I need. 4, 10, 20, 30, 40. I count by tens because they're worth 10. 10, 20, 30, 40. And then I add my ones. That number is 3. So I add 3. You might know if 3 is even or odd. Now let's see it next. These are paired up. These are not. So 43 would be odd. Now it's time to write your expanded form. Start with my tens. The tens together are worth 40. I add my ones. There are 3 ones. So 40 plus 3 equals 43. I'm not going to do 43 tally marks. If you want to at the end of this, that would be a fun activity to do. We're just going to do change. I'm going to start with a quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. So here we go. I can't add another quarter or it would be 50. So I'm going to add the next highest coin available. A coin that's worth 10 cents. A coin is worth 10 cents. You said a dime, you are correct. 25 plus 10 would be 35. If I add 10 more, it would be 45, which would be too great. So I'm going to add the next highest, which is worth 5. That would be a nickel. 35 plus 5 would be 40. So here we have 25, 35, 40. Now I need to count by 1. So do I have to add to 40 to get to 43? So we need 3 pennies. 41, 42, 43. 25, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43. And now I make my part of my 120 grid. I'm going to zoom in on only 9 numbers. And so 43 is going to be in the middle of those numbers. I'm going to keep counting. 43, 44. And then I can count backwards to find one less. 44, 43, 42. And then I look at my number 43, and I do 10 less than 43. So I take away one of these 10s. How many 10s are there? 1, 2, 3. So now it's 33. And 10 less than 43 is 33. Now I add 10 more. 40 plus 10 more would be 50. So it would be 50. And then what number goes in the ones place? Do you remember the pattern? Going down, the ones place stays the same. So I'd put a 3 there. So it'd be 53. Then I can fill in my other numbers. I know I end going down at the same ones place. I can add one more. And then this is what my 120 grid looks like. Okay, and now you can make something out of your 43. I'm taking a little bit longer today. I drew a robot and a snowman that's kind of twisted. What did you draw? Well, you just have to watch a Brain Pop video today, and then you can draw a picture using all of your shapes. Have a wonderful day.